Hey guys, hope you're well. I'm Ivan, around Idenix. So I just want to take you through this web scraping AI agent I built. So we've got the supervisor here. It's running a GPT 4.0 model at a temperature of 0.5, connected via this API key here. That supervisor then has a worker that I've named the Knowledge Explorer. Here's the prompt for the Knowledge Explorer that told her that its mission is to delve into the uploaded knowledge repository and extract information using the Web Scraper tool. So here's the Web Scraper tool. So retriever tool, named it Web Scraper, given it the description, use this tool to search for information in the website. This retriever tool's retriever is an in-memory vector store, essentially a database running an OpenAI embeddings. Use that same connect credential for the OpenAI embeddings. Then I've used this tool here, Cheerio Web Scraper, given it the URL that we want it to scrape. It's this URL here, nerdfitness.com. Scraped a load of links from nerdfitness.com, and then we've got this recursive character text splitter here that's breaking it up so it's easier to understand and store. So if I go to this is the upsert vector store, and I click upsert, you'll see the data store. You'll see it'll have stored the actual content of the text along with the sort of the HTML and CSS of the website. See all that here. If I close that, I've added this as a kind of optional extra as well. Write file. So I've got a folder on my desktop called Flowise data. I was given the path to that folder, and then as well as giving me the answer in the chatbot, it will also store it to a document on that folder. You don't have to do this, but it's a kind of optional extra. So if I go wrong button, there we go to the chatbot, move my face out of the way, I get stronger. It will look through all that information and give me an answer. So that's a question that the supervisor has asked. It's gone to the Knowledge Explorer to scrape that website, and it's come up with all this. And then, yeah, that's it. So hopefully that's helpful. Thanks very much for watching. I've realized it'd probably be helpful for me to start storing my JSONs so that you can actually just open my Flowise agents essentially. So yeah, I'm going to look into doing that. But yeah, thank you very much for watching.